How to make money with Canva in 2025. What if I told you that you could start making money online today, just using Canva and your creativity? No expensive software, no graphic design degree. In this video, I'll show you 5 legit ways to make money with Canva in 2025, including real platforms, pricing tips, and how to get started with zero experience. Welcome back to Wealthy Up, the place where we turn your skills into income. If you want to learn how to grow your money, start a side hustle, or build wealth online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. At number 1, sell Canva templates on Etsy. One of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money with Canva is by selling digital templates on Etsy. Think resume templates, Instagram posts, planners, business cards. You design once and sell over and over. People are making thousands with simple templates. Create 3 to 5 professional-looking designs. Set up an Etsy shop. Use keywords like editable Canva template in your listing, and price each item around $5 to $15. Coming in at number 2, offer freelance design services. Use Canva to offer design services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You don't need to be a pro. You just need to deliver clean, on-brand content that saves businesses time. Offer services like social media posts, business flyers, presentation decks, or YouTube thumbnails. Start at $10 to $25 per design as a beginner, and raise your rates as you get reviews. At number 3, create and sell printables. Another passive income idea is selling printables. Things like to-do lists, budgeting sheets, kids' activities, or wedding. You can sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. Use Canva's library to make beautifully designed printables fast. Export as a PDF, upload to your shop, and let the money come in while you sleep. Coming in at number 4, create content packages for small businesses. Small businesses desperately need help with content. Offer content bundles, like 30 Instagram posts, 10 stories, 5 Facebook banners. You can build these quickly in Canva using their brand kit feature. Charge $100 to $300 per month depending on the client's needs. At number 5, sell Canva courses or tutorial. If you're good at teaching, turn your Canva skills into a course or digital product. You can sell a mini course like How to Design for Instagram using Canva. Beginner's Guide to Selling Templates Online. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even YouTube to monetize your tutorials. Bonus tip: use Canva's AI tools. In 2025, Canva has AI-powered tools like Magic Design and Background Remover. These features help you design faster and more professionally. Use them to save time, create more, and grow your income faster. Recap and action plan. Let's recap the 5 best ways to make money with Canva in 2025. Sell templates on Etsy. Offer freelance design services. Create and sell printables. Build content packages for businesses. Sell Canva tutorials and courses. Pick one, take action, and stay consistent. That's how you grow your side hustle into real income. Which Canva strategy are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to earn online. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealthy Up for weekly content on building income and wealth step by step.